Jamboree 2008, Part 3.
This is a 144-inch custom sleeper with a rear bed, and I'll jump out of the way in front, and it's got the shower.
Oh, that's the bed right there.
Yeah, it just automatically folds down. See how you drop the bed?
Automatic.
There you go. Now that's the bed for you.
What's the length on that, of that bed?
It's the length of it's 96 inches, 48 inches wide, so it's like a full-size bed width and a queen-size bed length. You got your dinner room. You got cabinets, including the cedar closet. See the cedar wood in the closet. And the bottom one can either be drawers, or you can take these out and you've got a hangers in there for another hanger.
Oh, yeah.
Nice size refrigerator. Refrigerator, freezer, microwave convection oven, so you can actually cook in it or bake in it. First, now we're moving up into the shower, and the toilet is in there, so you no longer have to depend. Oh, sorry. No longer have to depend on a truck stop.
That's nice right there.
It's got its own self-contained generator. An own 7,500 watt generator. It's got its own refrigeration or air conditioning unit, heating unit. Of course, you already looked there that you see the 26-inch flat screen TV, and above it's a DVD. And then you have a surround sound system.
Oh yeah.
I know, because it's all back here.
You got a 2-burner cook stove. You got even drawers. They put like a silverware drawer. You got a deep sink for doing dishes. Very self-contained units.
I see. How much does something like this run?
This particular one's $205,367. And that includes all the fenders and everything that I put on it. They basically are $200,000, $201,000.
Oh, okay. And how long does it take to put one of these on your truck?
Well, we always just order them as a new one, and they come in together. If you were to have an existing truck, they would probably take about 60 to 90 days.
Oh, okay.
The chassis is a Volvo, and the sleeper then is made by ARI.
Oh yeah.
It's incorporated out of Shipshewana, Indiana.